Hello grade 4. Here is our topic for this week, visualizing angles, triangles, and quadrilaterals. Lesson 1, describing and illustrating different kinds of angles, right, acute, and obtuse angle using model. Let us review first. Directions determine whether the following illustrate intersecting, parallel, or perpendicular. Write the correct answer on the blank. Number 1, the letter X is correct, intersecting. 2, corners of the door. Alright, perpendicular. The capital letter of L. Again, that is perpendicular. How about the hands of the clock, a 3 o'clock? Okay, perpendicular. Then the last, lines found in the grade 4 pad paper. Alright, that is a parallel. Okay, so we have here a ray. There is one arrow and one endpoints. So we call that as a ray. So we can give a name, array BA, and also here we have also array BC. Or we can write array BA like this and ray BC like this. One endpoints and one arrow. One endpoints and one arrow. So when ray BA and ray BC is connected, we form an angle. Okay, we form an angle. So we have an angle of ABC. So these sides, we can call that, or this ray or this line, we can call that a side. And this is also a side. And this one, these endpoints, we can call that as vertex. And we have here this one that is an angle. We can give a name or pwede natin bigyan ng pangalan itong angle na to as angle. There are three ways. Okay, so we have an angle of ABC. This is the sides. This is the sides. This is the vertex, and this is the angle. There are three ways to name an angles. Okay, so we have here an angle ABC. So that is first name of this angle. Angle ABC or angle ABC. We can write like this or we can write like this. The next, angle CBA or angle CBA. And the third one, angle B or angle 1. So, pwede nyo siyang pangalanan ng tatlong letters and pwede nyo rin siyang pangalanan ng isang letters which is the vertex or the angle. So, since yung vertex natin is B, so that is angle B or angle 1. Okay, so this is a circle. This is a whole protractor. So, ang isang bilog ay 360, right? The whole circle is 360. Then, pag hinati natin siya, half of a circle, that is 180. Ayan. So, this is 180, and this one is 180. Then, pwede rin siyang hatiin ng patayo. This part is 180 and this part is 180. Then pag-apat, 90, 90, 90, 90. Degree is a unit of measurement angles 1/316th of the circumference of a circle. The degree symbol of degree sign is like this. It is typographical symbol that is used, among other things, to represent degree of arc. To measure angles, we use the unit called degrees. As the measures of an angle increases, the name changes. Correct. Angles are the figure formed by two rays called the sides of an angle, sharing a common endpoint called the vertex of an angle. Of course, dito sa number 1, pag ang angle ay nag-increase, ang name niya ay mag-change. Maybe it is acute, a right, or an obtuse angle. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. So we'll always use a protractor. Angles can be classified according to their measurements. An acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. It is smaller than a right angle. A right angle measures 90 degrees. It forms a square corner. So ang right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Pag nag-91 na yan, that is already an obtuse angle. Pag nag-89 siya, that is an acute angle. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the figure of a type of an angle. So this one is an acute angle. The measurements of this is less than 90 degrees. This is the right angle is equal to 90 degrees or exactly 90 degrees. Then it forms a square like a perpendicular. Okay? And then we have here an obtuse angle. It is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the protractor na kadalasan ginagamit natin to measure the angles. Okay, so let us have an acute angle. Okay, this is the main point. So, 0 ito. So, let's say we have, okay, so 10 degree rather. 10 degree, that is acute angle. Next, 30 degree, that is acute angle. Next, 45 degree, that is acute angle. And lastly, 70 degree, that is acute angle. So that is the example of an acute angle. Less than 90 degree. Next, how about right angle? So as we can say that a right angle is exactly or equal to 90 degree. So kung nakikita nyo, we have here, this is the main point, the 0. So ito yung 90 degree. Okay? So walang iba, ang measurement ng right angle is 90 degree. Yeah. Next, obtuse angle. It is less than or it is more than 90 degree or less than 180. Okay, so this is our main point. 90 degree here. So pag lumampas ng 90 degree, that is already an obtuse angle. Let's say 91 degree. That is already an obtuse angle. Let's say we have here, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. So that is already an obtuse angle. Next. Yun. 110, 115. That is obtuse angle. Next, 160. That is an obtuse angle. 130. That is an obtuse angle. Acute angles. Less than 90 degree. That is an acute angles. Greater than 90 degree or less than 180 degree. That is an obtuse angle. Let us try this. What kind of angle is this? Alright, that is acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. Next, obtuse angle. Yes, right angle. Okay, that is acute angle. So, napakadali lang i-identify. If ever man na wala siyang measurement, madali nyo siyang ma-identify kung ito ba ay acute, obtuse, or a right angle. Kasi, mapapansin nyo sa acute angle, pag itong one side, medyo maliit, hindi lumalagpas or hindi lumagpas sa 90 degree, that is acute angle. Pero pag nakakita kayo ng straight line with a box or making a square to the corner, that is a right angle. At ito naman yung obtuse angle. Another, using the figure at the right, identify the given angle. Is acute, right, or obtuse? Write the correct answer on a sheet of paper. So number 1, angle AGE. Angle AGE. This one, AGE. So that is, yes, a right angle. AGE. Next, number 2, DGF. Angle DGF. This one. Okay, so that is an obtuse angle. Next, FGB. FGV. So we have an obtuse angle also. FGB. This one. Next, number 4. Angle CGA. That is an obtuse angle also. The next, number 5. CGE. That is again an obtuse angle. Number 6. BGC. Okay, that is an acute angle. 7. EGD. That is a right angle. EGD. Next, BGA. That is also a right angle. Then number 9, DGB. Okay, a right angle also. And last number, CGD. That is an acute angle. Next, use the data inside the box to complete the statement. Write your answer on the sheet of paper. When two rays meet a common endpoint, a geometric figure called what? When the two rays meet a common endpoint, a geometric figure is called an angle. Correct. The common endpoint is called the common endpoint, that is a vertex. Angles measured in blank can be classified according to their measurements. Okay, angles measured in degrees and can be classified according to their measurements. An angle which measures 90 degrees and forms a square corner is called the right angle. If it is measured less than 90 degrees and is smaller than a right angle, it is called acute angle. And lastly, if it is measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, it is called an obtuse angle. Okay, so I hope you understand or you describe the three or differentiate the three angles, the acute angles, right angles, and obtuse angles.